trick. Imagine you wake up in the middle of the night or in the middle of the morning. You peek outside of your window and you see nothing, pure darkness. You don't hear any sound. Maybe a little bit of a dog barking in the dark. Your brain interpret that. It performs a lot of process, and within a split second, you conclude it's still 2:30 a.m. and I need to go back to sleep. But if you deep dive on what happened in your brain, there's a lot of computations that happen uh, relating the darkness outside of your window, the silent environment. It matches at 2:30 a.m. wake up for you. So when you are dealing with speech to text, let's say you are taking a call, you are talking to a customer, and you wanted that at the end of your call, the call summary will be summarized by your PC, by your computer, so that you can just log it into the CRM and eventually escalated, let's say, to a level two tech support, something like that. So from sound, it was converted into text. So what happens there is that every sound um, is being scaled into what we call a Mel scale. Certain pitches are represented by a certain probabilistic number and assigned to a particular word. So billions of computations are happening in split seconds. And once that happens, it undergo what we call a Fourier transform, wherein another set of mathematical procedures will happen so that the computer or the AI will be able to predict uh, what that sound is and relate it to a particular word until such time that all of the words have been converted into text and then summarized so that you can use it to end your call. All right. So let's just deal with AI in such a simplistic manner. It doesn't have to be complicated. But what's important is we have that level of awareness as to what happens because understanding AI will remove the fear as to what will happen in the future. All right. Thank you.